Welcome to the Fadhili Family YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, please consider giving this video a thumbs up as well as subscribing for more content from our channel. And on today's video, I will be showing you how I plant one of my favorite herbs. And this herb happens to be the rosemary herb. So I have two rosemary plants in a polythene bag, just the way I bought them. The rosemary plant has very many uses. For instance, in our kitchen, you can use it to marinate your meat dishes like chicken, and also can be used to marinate your potatoes when you're baking or even when you're frying them. And I've also had people using the rosemary as a repellent for insects in their houses, for instance, to keep off house flies. So it has quite a number of uses and is a very good herb to have within your household. So I will be using some pots, and in order for you to get good results when you plant your rosemary, ensure that your pot is well perforated. In my case, you can see the holes in the pots, these ones in the pots, because the rosemary is a drought tolerant plant. It does not require a lot of water, because when you give it too much water, the roots tend to rot. And the rosemary has also one good feature. When it requires water, you will find out that the stems of the rosemary will start to droop, hence giving you a cue that your rosemary herb requires water. So let's get on to the planting of the rosemary plant. So I have some organic manure, and then my rosemary came with its own soil. So this is what I will reuse, as you can see. So I'll start by first tearing off the polythene bag. Then, as you can see, I've lost some of it, some of the roots at the base, which is okay. So I'll start by mixing some of the soil from the rosemary with the organic manure. Make sure that you crush the big soil rocks. And do away with the debris like those ones. You can use gloves, rubber gloves for this process, and if you don't have, you can still use your bare hands. This process is also good because you're also aerating your soil. As you mix the soil with the organic manure, the soil is getting aerated. And I guess our soil is not good enough for us to plant. So I'll start by putting my soil and organic manure, remember it's mixed, into the pot, maybe about quarter away from the bottom. That. Then I will get my rosemary plant together with the soil that it came with from the nursery and put it into the pot. Ensure that it is well balanced inside. And is standing straight. Then add more of the soil into the pot. And as you do this, ensure that your rosemary still stands straight. You don't want a tilted plant. And there is our planted rosemary herb. So what is left now, I will be giving it some water just to give it a quick starter in its growth in its new environment. So I've just finished potting my rosemary herbs. As you can see, they look very green and very healthy. So this is something you can also try at home to cut down on costs on buying some of your herbs. So you can also place your rosemary herbs on your kitchen window. They bring quite a very good aroma into the kitchen and into your house. So the next step is to water the rosemary, as we just planted them. And the water will give them a good quick start into their growth. Remember, the plant doesn't require a lot of water, so I'll give it a very minimal water to jumpstart the growth. And remember, our pot is perforated at the bottom so that the water does not clog into the pot. So guys, enjoy growing your herbs at home and enjoy also using them in the kitchen. And until our next video, goodbye and God bless you.